Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another blog tech tips. And of course guys, today I'm going to look at an issue and how to fix the problem where your Samsung Galaxy S10 is not receiving or sending text messages. As you can see here guys, this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Shall also work with the S10e as well as the S10 normal edition and any other similar versions. Alright guys. So the first thing is you're not receiving a text or you're unable to send. Now the first thing you wanted to do guys is just basically you're going to launch your messages default messaging app. Once you're in the messaging app as seen right here, next you're going to tap on the three dots and you're going to go down to settings, and in settings you're going to go to more settings. And of course what I wanted to check here guys is to make sure that you are seeing what's referred to as the text center number. So let's go over to text messages, and once you're in text messages, simply check around right here. You should see right above, let me just move this in. You should see right here where it says messages center. Just make sure that number is correct. You can call your service provider and make sure that they give you that number in case you do not know what the default center number is. If the number is wrong, it can affect your text messages sending and receiving. All right. The other thing I wanted to do guys is, again, if that doesn't work, go ahead and tap on the three dots. This time go to configuration messages. And of course your configuration messages might be already be there. There are special messages sent to your device by your carrier, and what they allow for is that it will make sure that you are configured for features such as MMS and so on. So you can always install all these to make sure that none of these are messing with your device and its functionality. So once you have done that guys, that's the first step. The next step however is you're going to clear the cache of messages, and of course to do that just simply go to settings. Next you're going to go to apps. As you can see your apps. Once you go into apps guys, you're going to wait until it loads. Then of course you're going to look for messages. Everything is alphabetically arranged. You can always use the search feature up there. So we're going to look for messages. Once you find messages out as I have right here, just go ahead and tap. Then you're going to go to storage, and of course you can clear the cache. As seen here, you can just go ahead and clear cache. Be warned, do not clear data unless you have backed up your messages. If you have backed up your messages, you can just go ahead and clear data. I will not do this. Do note that it will delete everything related to messages and so on, and basically force all the data off this your messaging app. So you need to have your messages backed up. Just go ahead and do that. Once you do that, just go back, and of course you can force stop and you can reboot your device. Once rebooting your device, you're going to come back and try again. Please note guys that it's very important that you do the reboot, so do not skip that step as it might be a critical step, and sometimes if you do not reboot, the set changes will not take effect. So overall, just remember to reboot. There are two ways to do that. You can just simply press power and simply hit restart. If that doesn't work, next thing you can actually do is to use the power plus volume down, hold both until you see the Samsung logo. You let go, and of course it will do a force restart. All right. Next, you can update your apps, and specifically the Samsung apps. So simply go in and you're going to search for the Galaxy Store. Make sure you're connected to the internet. Once you go in here, you're going to check for updates. All right, to find the updates page, let me just show you how to do that. Simply click the three dots up, go to my page, then you're going to go to updates, and in here you should check for updates. Sometimes you'll get updated messages and so on. The other place to check for updates is to go to settings, scroll down, and once you scroll down guys, simply go down to software update, and you're going to tap on download and install, and of course it will update the device or phone. That's another thing that might be affecting your device by updating apps. Next, you can reset your network settings. To do that, go to settings. Of course, once you're in settings, scroll down. Once you scroll down, you're going to look for general management. Then you're going to hit reset, and you're going to look for the option that says reset network settings. Just go ahead and hit reset network settings. Once you do that, it will erase all basic network settings. Do not worry, you'll not lose anything of importance, and once you go through the process it will erase. Then simply try texting again. So that's reset network setting. Next, you're going to check to see if a recent app could be blocking your messages. A cool way to do that would be to consider the last 2 or so apps and basically uninstall them and then test to see if one of those could be interfering. You can always reinstall those apps later on. The next thing you can do, guys, is to make sure that you're getting adequate signal. Make sure you're getting at least 3 to 4 bars or the ice or close to the ice settings. If not, it could affect your ability to send text as well as receive calls. Next, you're going to check if you're being blocked or if a particular person is being blocked. Therefore, that's why you're not receiving or being able to send messages. To do that, go back to the messaging app again. Tap right here. Once you're in here, guys, simply go to settings and look for block number and messages. And here, just simply tap and see if you have a name somewhere in here. They'll be listed down here. And of course, you can check this folder here. Okay, let me just bring this up, which is called the block messages folder, and simply just tap, and once you tap you should be able to see any block messages, if any. I don't have any right now, but if you block someone, the messages will appear here and you can always go through to see what the person is and then unblock that person. They'll receive them in the normal folder. And of course, guys, after checking your block settings, the two last thing you can do, guys, you can consider doing a total reset of your device. You can do that by going to settings, go down to general management again, reset, and of course you're going to do a factory data reset. Please back up your device before doing a factory or data reset, as this will erase all data from your device. And as usual, guys, it's a smart idea to give your carrier a contact to see if they're having any problems in your area or problems in general. It might be that they are having an issue and their system is down and they did not notify you. Also, they might be able to do something from their end to actually fix the problem, including send you configuration messages and so on. Alright, guys, that is all the possible ways to fix the problem where you're not receiving or able to send text message on your device, which is the Samsung Galaxy S10 line of phones. Alright, guys, we're going to go from Blog Tech Tips, saying bye until next time, guys. Bye.